We're here at the Intercontinental Hotel. Ooh, so nice in here. Look at the view. Ano masasabi mo?
Nice. Excited. Ito. Tsaka ito nga, pag weekend na ito yung nilook forward namin. Kasi syempre, gusto namin ma-relax, gusto namin mag-gym. Tsaka ito yung parang, alam mo yun, reward sa sarili namin.
These are the Etihad Towers. So dyan sinut yung Fast and the Furious 7.
This is Marina View. There's Jerson. Yeah.
Ayan, nakikita nyo yung view ng marina. Sobrang ganda. So habang naglalakad kami, we just wanna encourage you that you have to celebrate life. Rejoice and enjoy every day because you have to live every moment sa buhay natin.
Yeah.
So enjoy lang, chill. Woo!
The Bay Shore.
So ayan, tapos na mag-gym. So mag-swimming na kami ngayon.
Yeah. Time.
It's swimming time.
Excited. Woo! Sarap mag-swimming.
So meron ditong beach and meron ding swimming pool dun sa kabilang side.
I think hindi ko gustong mag-beach kasi
Malamig.
malamig. Dito ako sa pool.
Yung pool heated yung pool. Ganda ng beach oh.
Hello. Hello. Mainit ka yung tubig?
Mainit. Yung bar. Yan, bar. Yahoo! May jacuzzi pa. May jacuzzi. Woohoo! Diyan ako sa jacuzzi tsaka sa pool.
Hindi na tayo
Actually yung pool heated yung pool.
Mainit siya? Na-try mo?
Oo, kanina. Alright.
Swimming time, relax time. Woo! Ang babaw lang. It's already January 12. Ang bilis ng panahon. Sipin nyo, ano na, almost half of the month. Kaya dapat we have to enjoy and celebrate every moment. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Diba, George?
Yep.
We have to enjoy every day sa buhay natin
Yep.
while we can. And you have to celebrate. Siyempre. Every day is a celebration. Kaya to ha, relax, ang sarap.
Yeah, every day is a celebration and always be grateful and always, thank the Lord for His blessings.
Yes. Ang ganda ng sun, no?
Yep, sobrang ganda ng sun, no?
Tingnan mo yung sunset, oh. This is my beach area. Napakaganda.
Ayan, oh. Yung sun, very beautiful sunset.
So, Jers, ano yung nilook forward mo? First pala. Anong natutunan mo noong 2024? And ano yung nilook forward mo this 2025?
Yeah, actually there are lots of learnings noong 2024. Especially, to just thank the Lord for everything. Although dumanas tayo ng napakatinding pagsubok. But, there's a fourth man in the fire. And yun yung si Lord. Alam mo yun, sobrang kahit ano pa mang mangyari, hindi niya tayo pababayaan, hindi niya tayo iiwan. To be humble, to always be grateful, to always enjoy life to the fullest, and to enjoy every moment. Kasi you don't know what's gonna happen, And just live your life carefree, trusting that everything is gonna work out fine. Alright?
Ano yung natutunan? Ano yung nilook forward mo?
I believe that 2025 is gonna be more exciting. There's gonna be more breakthroughs, and it's gonna be more fantastic. More things that are coming, and so much in store for us this 2025. As long as you keep enjoying, as long as you love life, expecting good things are gonna come. That's it. Keep enjoying. So, ikaw naman, Chris. Ano yung natutunan mo ng 2024 and ano yung nilulook forward mo ngayong 2025?
So much learning last year. Grabe. Marami. Natuto akong i-appreciate ang mga bawat bagay na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Natuto akong, just be grateful of what you have. And just be thankful sa lahat ng bagay, appreciate things. Ano pa?
Ano naman nilulook forward mo?
Looking forward for a great year, syempre. Breakthroughs, more intimate with God this year. And ano pa? Lahat ng mga pangarap at yung mga prayers it's gonna happen this year, and I believe that yung mga hinihintay nating mga panalangin.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah.
So yun. So looking forward for a great year ahead this year 2025, and hindi lang para sa amin but including our family and friends.
Yep.
Siyempre. So kasama kayo sa mga prayers and dasal namin.
Yes.
So yun. So just enjoy life, be thankful, rejoice, celebrate each moment. Hindi naman kailangan na bonggang mga celebration. Wow. Woo! So ito naman sabi ko sa inyo, do not worry. Kasi worry will not add any single thing in your life. Hindi ko sinasabi to kasi baka isipin nyo wala kaming problema. Kung alam nyo lang, ang dami naming pinagdaanan last year. Pero you know what? Lahat ng winori namin, hindi naman nangyari. Ni isa walang nangyari sa mga worries namin. So if I were you, just live one day at a time. Kaliwali, sabi nga sa Arabic. Sa Arabic ng, ano ibig sabihin?
Forget
about it is kaliwali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not gonna happen. All your fears, worry are not gonna happen.
Yep. Alright.
All
Let's
right.
just enjoy and swim.
Live every moment.
Come on, let's party. Let's enjoy every moment. And let's party. Woo! Celebrate.
O yan, kakatapos lang namin. Anong oras na? 8:30?
8 o'clock na.
8 o'clock na. So, natapos na yung Sunday namin. Nag-swimming, nag-sauna,
Nag-gym,
nag-gym.
and many more.
Yeah.
Hopefully, na-encourage namin kayo today.
Mhm.
And thanks for tuning in. Marami kayong natutunan ngayong araw na to.
Yep. Enjoy.
See you next weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye.